Hello everyone and welcome back to one of our Drive Inside series. Today we are going to talk about Volkswagen. This is Arteon R-Line 2018 and this model is 206 kilowatt. I've printed some specs of the car. We're just gonna talk later in depth about everything in the car in the coming videos. This video I'm just gonna list some of the specs or like most of the specs of the car, and you can follow up with me with the next video. So this car, it's the Australian model, and we are in Melbourne in a very sunny day today, and it's winter but it's very sunny, so it's a lovely day today to record videos. So this car, the Arteon one, it's the R-Line. This one is 2.0 liter turbocharged engine, 4 cylinders, TSI petrol. This one produces about 206 kilowatt, equivalent it's 280 horsepower. This goes between 5,300 and 6,500 RPM to get the maximum horsepower. Torque is 350. Transmission, it has 7-speed DSG automatic transmission, and drive, it's all-wheel drive. It's called 4Motion. So this one, it's a all-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, but it's electronic. So whenever the sensor senses that you need power to one of the wheels, it will push it to the wheels. This is what they say on their website. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers goes around 6.5 seconds, and top speed goes about 250 kilometers. Of course, in Melbourne, you will never go to the top speed unless you're risking losing your license on it. Fuel consumption, they say on their website, it's around 7.5 liter per 100 kilometer, but when I drive it, the actual numbers goes, if you're inside the city or like driving on a low speed, this number goes around 11 to 12 liter per 100 kilometers. Sometimes it can jump to 15 liter. If you are on a highway, the number goes down, and the lowest that I got, and I have a picture of this, I will post it also on the video, is I believe 5.5 or 5.6 liter. So on a highway, or if you're driving on a high speed for long times, the consumption is very low. If you're inside the city, the consumption is high a little bit. Length, it's 4.8 meter. This number are like, it's 4.862, 4,862, so I'm just rounding up to the nearest number, so it's 4.8. a little bit above 4.8. Width, it's 1.871, so it's 1.9, less than 1.9 meter. Height, it's for 1.435, 1.450, so let's say it's 1.4 meter height. The boot capacity, it's around 563 liter. That's a big one. And also this one, the Arteon model, has a lift-back boot, so you will have lots of space to use. It's not just a normal boot, it goes all above, and I will make another video about it. But let's do it right now. You can see it from the video here. So if I want to open the boot, it goes all the way up with the window itself. So you'll have lots of space here to use, and it's spacious to like put in your luggage, your bags, everything. So it's not just a normal boot, it's a lift back. It goes all the way up with the window itself. It gives you more space here. The weight of the car is around 1.6 tons, or like 1,658 kilograms. The tow capacity of this one, it can tow up to 2.2 ton. So the R-Line model has some features in it. Leather seats. It has heated seats, 2 on the front and 2 at the back, and this is one of the good features that I see about this. Many cars has only heated seats in front, but this one has at the back also. It has 3 climate zones of air conditioning, so you can control yours from the driver's seat. The passenger seat can control on the other side. This is 2 zones, and now at the back there is a controller in the middle that you can control the air condition for the back area. So it's a 3 climate zone, and this is a good point also. Adaptive cruise control. We have front assist, front emergency brake, back emergency brake. Also it has a 9.2 inch screen in the middle. It's an information system with the maps, the radio, everything inside the car. We'll have a detailed video about this later on. It can connect Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, but it's using a cable, a USB cable, not a wireless one. And this is one of the older models. The newer model, I believe, has a wireless connection, but this one works with a cable. But you can work around it. I have a USB module, a wireless USB module that I connected to the USB, and I can use my phone wirelessly on the system here. We have active info display. It goes here. When you turn on the car, there is a screen coming up that has some information displayed for you on when you are driving, like speed, like where to go, left or right, if you are using the maps. Blind spot alert, park assist, so it can park automatically. You can just press on a button, drive the car slowly to an empty space. Once it detects it, it will park in it automatically, horizontally or vertically. It has a lane assist, and this one is a very good one. I might make another video about it, but this one, when you are touching the lines in the street, it will start driving inside the lane again by itself. If you fall asleep, it will drive by itself for a little bit. If the car detects you're not holding the wheel, it will start beeping for a few seconds, and if there is no response, it assumes that you are falling asleep or something happened, you're not controlling the car. It will start braking a little bit while driving it. So it will just give you a hit to wake you up, like it will do this if you just press the brake and leave it again for like a second. So it will try to wake you up if you are asleep, or like make you pay attention that there is something wrong, you're not holding the wheel. And if you don't control the wheel at this time, it will detect if you are on the left side of the road or right side of the road, right side of the road and left side of the road. It will take the left lane or right lane, the emergency lane, and brake and stops completely because you're not controlling the car. So that's the lane assist solution or system. It has also an auto high beam lighting, so this one will go up and down, high and low automatically during night driving, and when the system or the sensor detects that we need more light, it will just push it out. If someone is coming, it will just lower it down itself, so you won't blind the people coming in the opposite side in front of you. So basically it has nice features. We'll have a couple of videos, maybe more, from inside the car on how to use everything inside the car. At least this is an introductory about Volkswagen Arteon 2018, the R-Line model, 2.0 liter and 206 kilowatt. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video and cars and the technology, buckle up and stay with us.